Hi everyone, it's TechDad. Today we are looking at a Bluetooth smart barbecue thermometer. It can be found on Amazon under different brand name since it's a Chinese product. The price will depend on the choice of the brand or the seller you choose, but also on the number of probes included in the box. Like most Chinese products sold on Amazon, this comes in a cheap box. Personally, I got the instruction, the thermometer, the batteries, 2 probes and 2 rings to store them. The seller sent me what looks like a new unit, but the instructions are stained, so I just don't know if it's a return or not. The unit itself is made of very cheap plastic, but the screen seems to be pretty good. It's very easy to read in the dark, and the numbers are pretty big. For a Chinese product, the instructions provided are surprisingly well written and easy to understand. The smartphone app can be found on the Apple Store or on Google Play. The barbecue thermometer has 6 inputs for probes. My model comes with 2 probes, but depending on the brand that you buy, you will get 2 to up to 6 or even 8 probes. The screen can be lit, so it's very easy to read the temperature. And once everything is set up, you just need to connect to the app on the smartphone. You'll then get access to the temperature of the probe directly on your smartphone, where you can set up some alarm to tell you when the meat is done, for example. The 2 plastic rings provided are used to store the probes. Now is the time to start the barbecue and to sear the meat. After that, you need to install the probe in the meat. Since it's connected to the smartphone, you can go inside, drink a cold beer, and wait for the meat to be ready. And when everything is done, you get a perfectly cooked meat. So thank you all. It was TechDad. Ciao!